sing?
Yes.
You ready to dance? You ready to have some fun? Play some games? Archie, what song should I play first? Alright. How did I know that? So we're going to play a game with this. And you guys have to let me know. It's not loud enough or it's too loud or anything. I can adjust. So here's what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to think of a bird in your head. Everybody get a bird. Don't tell me what it is, though. Don't tell me what bird you're thinking of. Because I'm going to try and guess the bird in your head. And here's what I want you to do. If I guess the bird that's in your head, I want you to start flapping your wings. Now, we're kind of close, so maybe not like this, maybe like this or something. But when you flap your wings, I'll know that I got your bird. We'll kind of start slow. Archie, I'll start slow first, okay? We'll give him a chance. We'll give him a little chance here. Then we'll speed up. Everybody got a bird? I know what birds you guys have over there. Here we go. Don't forget to flap your wings to hear your bird. Chicken, swan, heron, hawk, kookaburra, currawong, wren, robin, cockatoo, turtle, dove, gray goose, frog, mouth, barn owl, yellow knock, curassow, peacock, sea, blackbird, albatross, grackle, gamecock, fish, flamingo, buzzard, stone chat, swallow, black cat, chickadee, bell stripe, whippity, parakeet, bumblebee, green-tailed toad, warbler, ostrich, grosbeak, magpie, babbler, partridge, kiwi, bobwhite, sandpiper, oriole, emu, seagull, petal, bird, crow, nightingale, white chick, whistlebill, tangerine, bill, so we're going to have to culture still. Proof of the movie. Like these are the birds that I know. Everywhere there's no place I can't go. If you wonder just who knows that nest up in your roof, I could name a bird or two. Alright, I got quite a few of you guys. You guys want to do another round?
Yes. Yeah.
Alright. Everybody think of a second bird. Bird number 2. Everybody another bird? Alright. Here we go. Puffin' duck, crow, snipe, sugar bird, honey guy, paragon, pelican, purple throaty cuckoo, stripe, bird, runner, nut, cracker, king, cherry, hunter, oyster, rock, river, ground, horse, tree, bummer, nightjar, jack, dog, jackhammer, whippoorwill, spoon, bell, night, hawk, red, spark, scarlet, ibis, swift, pigeon, kite, bellbird, bird,
Hey, Portia, see if you can stand up. Yes.
These are birds in the sky. Sing all day, sometimes we see all night. So if you're wondering just to woke you up at 2:30. I could name a bird or two. Alright, I see an Archie bird. Alright. Hey, now, was anybody thinking of the purple-bearded bee eater? No? How about the naked-faced spider hunter?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Who was thinking of a Carolina wren?
Yeah.
Alright, one more round. Everybody got third bird? Third bird in your head. Get it ready. Here we go. Raven, starving, blue jay, nuthatch, falcon, waxwing, Siamese, fireback, bear-headed, blackbush, sheer, wild sparrow, hawk, latching, go-go, jago, go-go, giant coon, square-tailed jongo, bongo, toucan, turkey, great crescent green, mushroom, sharp-breasted pheasant, pink-tailed buckback, whistle, eagle, penguin, red-headed woodpecker, chicken, winner, yellow-bellied sapsucker. These are the birds in the air. All you people down below, at best beware. If you're wondering just who dropped that present in your new hairdo. I could name a bird or two.